Have you ever noticed something interesting? Some people walk into a room and everyone pays attention. Others speak and get ignored, interrupted, or overlooked. Why? Most people think respect comes from money, status, looks. But psychology tells a different story. People often decide how they'll treat you within moments of meeting you, which means if you send the wrong signals early, you can lose respect before the conversation even begins. Today, you'll learn 4 simple psychology tricks that can instantly change how people see you. And the last one might be the most important of all. Before we begin, subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement videos. Now, let's start with the first shift. Trick number 1. Say less, mean more. One of the fastest ways to appear insecure is talking too much, over-explaining, justifying everything, trying to prove yourself. People who command respect don't do that. They speak with intention. Psychologists call this the scarcity effect. When something is less available, it often feels more valuable. The same applies to words. Pause before speaking. Think first, then make your point clearly. No unnecessary explanations. No rambling. The less you chase attention, the more attention you often receive. And that leads to the next trick. Trick number 2. Use silence to your advantage. Most people are uncomfortable with silence. That's exactly why it works. When someone cuts you off, don't rush to compete. Pause. Stay calm. Look at them.
When you finish speaking, don't immediately fill every gap. Let your words settle. Silence creates presence, it creates weight, and it naturally encourages others to pay closer attention. Confident people don't feel the need to constantly talk. They know silence can speak for them. But respect isn't only about communication. It's also about boundaries.
Trick number 3. Set limits without guilt. People who say yes to everything often end up respected the least, because respect grows around boundaries, not endless availability. Try phrases like, "I can't do that right now. I'll think about it. That doesn't work for me."
Simple, calm, direct. No long explanations, no apology tour. When you value your own time, other people begin valuing it too, and that naturally changes how you're treated. But there's one thing people notice before you even speak: your body language.
Trick number 4. Let your presence speak. Before words come out, your body is already sending a message. Stand tall. Maintain comfortable eye contact. Move with purpose. Not rushed, not nervous. Calm movements signal confidence. Fast, restless movements often signal uncertainty.
You don't need to act important. You just need to feel comfortable in your own space, because confidence is often communicated long before it's spoken. Here's the truth. People don't respect you because you try to please everyone. They respect you because you respect yourself. The moment you stop chasing approval, you stop giving away your power. And that's when people begin seeing you differently.
So here's my question. Which of these 4 psychology tricks are you going to use first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more psychology, self-improvement, and human behavior content, subscribe now, because the next video might completely change the way people respond to you.